So we are going to start with multi-joins, and the first thing that we need to do is create another table. We already have two tables. The first one is employees and the second one is departments. Now we're going to create a new table called locations. This is how you create the table, and this is how you insert the values in the table. Oh, sorry, wrong screen. Select start from locations. Let's have look now. So you get these things: Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad. Okay, you got that. Pune also is there. Now let's start writing the main query. Show department name, city, country and number of employees in each combination. तो ये मुझे क्यों लाना पड़ रहा है लोकेशन, क्योंकि जो अर्लियर टेबल्स हैं जैसे कि द एम्प्लॉयज टेबल डज नॉट हैव कंट्री, द डिपार्टमेंट्स टेबल डज नॉट हैव कंट्री. Which table has country? The locations table. So we will have to do three tables coming together. So that's multi-join. Let's start with from which table? From employees, inner join departments D and employees E. Join मैं कर रही हूँ on E dot emp underscore id equal to D dot emp underscore id. No, department underscore id. See, रियल टाइम. सिलेक्ट क्या क्या करना है वो सिलेक्ट कर लेते हैं. डी डॉट डी ई पी टी अंडरस्कोर नेम सिटी. लेट्स टेक इट फ्रॉम द अदर टेबल इटसेल्फ. सो वी डू नॉट हैव इट राइट नाउ, सो मैं सिर्फ सिटी लिख के रखती हूँ. एंड यू नीड कंट्री. कंट्री भी नहीं है ये वाले टेबल में. एंड नंबर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज, सो दैट इज काउंट ई डॉट emp underscore id as employee count. Okay, this looks good. Now we need to have the city and country coming in here, right? That means मुझे और एक inner join लगाना है. तो if I go here with inner join locations L on city, right? So E dot city equal to L dot city. So यहाँ पर would be L dot city and L dot country. Now you have to group them. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर ये count आ गया है. Count is an aggregate function. You will have to group them. यहाँ पर it's clearly mentioned you have to find all this entire thing and the number of employees in each combination. That means you'll group by the department name, the city and the country. So we can just pick this. Here it comes first, so that will be group by and you will just pick it. Okay, and let's make this work. So there is one employee who is in Pune and in engineering, one employee who is in Mumbai engineering, in Mumbai HR, Delhi marketing and Bangalore HR. Now अगर मैं यहाँ पे left join करती हूँ तो क्या होता है? Let's find out. Yep. So you would see more things coming in. Let's talk about again what is the difference between a left join and an inner join. Left join is going to take up every single entry which is present in the left table, even though उसका कुछ भी relationship नहीं है with the right table. So if there is no entry for that particular column in the right table, you will find null instead of a value there, which you can see over here कि यहाँ पे कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट का इंसान दिल्ली में नहीं रहता है और वो count is 1. So inner join is going to be this part of it, right, which is present here also and here also. So together it's this part of the Venn diagram. I hope that makes sense. This is very important to understand. Let's move to the next question. Show department name, country and total salary per department per country. So I will just select this one. Show department name, which is here, country, which is here, so you don't need this, and total salary. So department name is also present in employees table. Department is present, but just for shits and giggles, let's have both of these here. ठीक है, तो मैंने ये रखा हुआ है, एंड इनको काउंट नहीं चाहिए, इनको सम चाहिए of total salary. So that's going to be E dot salary as total employee salary. So it's going to be COUNTRY and COUNTRY. Let's get it. क्या हो गया भाई? Need or country does not exist. Correct. We got it. We got the total salary based on the department and the country. Let's talk about why city here is okay. क्योंकि ये city जो है, this column exists in both the employees table as well as the locations table. Even though this has no relationship with the actual query, this is a common column which is available in common attribute which is available in both those tables. So I am using that particular attribute as a basis on which मैंने joins apply किया. I hope that makes sense. Let's move to the next question. Find all employees who earn more than the average salary of their department. We are moving back. We are moving away from joins and we are going towards the territory which still haunts me.